It's Mr. Ben Ejekum, a fine gentleman. Oh no, only Kikibees. As I say, my sort people say there's another lounge. I am one lounger. Was also around the Eastleigh Honum. On my case, I'm introducing a video we are share in 2018.
And Ejekum is a 36-year-old businessman. I'm a father. I'm a husband. I have 4 kids.
Now, of course, a good relationship with media personalities, entertainers, celebrities, any other day. So he has an amazing personality and also a good relationship with media influencers and social media influencers near the day. So we now know with him, the likes of Sister Fia, Oko Snapchat in Podia, and Yasa Getwa, Ubiam with the CEO of Kikibees, Mr. Ben Ejekum. Now, pay in June 2023, and was celebrating the 41st birthday. There is a video of him in 2022, now on the year 8 tracking. Now, per what I've heard, no, now they say even the Kikibees no crown, and you reading a Kiki, it's new reading or the other so, and because on your bend that perhaps a Kikibees, but Kiki no, and you know, eating. Now, you go straight to the narratives amount for a pushy out there. It's a then to Mr. Ben, because amount for I recall, they say, now say, and be a two CEO of Barritas. And he said, oh no, the story no, not just what you who the body no, or aviation or bush bimu. Now 17 bullets. Cartridges and an good home. It's one so with allegedly or agent and coffee in the film so Eden home. A binomo castle, non can agent in quite difference. It most of the baby. Say the most in what no. Now, a motion of bullets or honor. No, dear, and young one or difference in the moment and the paboniphobia and the econo. It's Mr. Benso or non or general, and I send paboniphobia and the econo. Young narratives about better social media. So now, story the Bible, not is a much I want to say kind and I will wear her excellency, Mr. Mobetray. Sasuna Ibra one, I will be a name no seja, as in be a bar, a becano, and one also a becabi. On also got through to any Instagram story. So send a be one casamina by edit picture. Ibra one Instagram story and our live recording them. On also got was say the owner of Kikibees was shot dead as a result of his involvement in a coercive business transaction and snitching. Another narrative. Another narrative will pop up on Snapchat to say, you could because of a Rolex watch, which is also another narrative, not confirmed. Another narrative about that one thing, and they say, Obedu Ghana no, and I just say, and conformity attacking no, all in the name of robbery. I just want robbing no. Hey, I don't move this social media so. That is also another narrative. I also know any confirmed. Ebe musu pushing the narrative say, Onanga say na agent nkwa and this is obviously coming from an unknown account on social media, so not be this particular revelation. But there was also the narrative saying the girlfriend be and the kuno. It's will be our way now a girlfriend and then some kind of a side chick and allegedly no. These are all narratives are for a pushy on social media. So. But what really happened on that Saturday? Just as I've said, no, when the police reports, where other any the so. Now, per what I've heard, no, it appears that on Friday. Na Mr. Ben Ejekum ebe do Ghana hase. And so do Ghana hase no. Wambo obi amane say oba Ghana. Wambo obi amane say oba Ghana. No do Ghana. Obedu Ghana no pay a surprise visit to the family near the end almost obi kasa kama. Saturday and oko any restaurant on my Kikibees. And so tina wa late to about 12 and adumu one more. Or tina wa chele kama a video CB and I will screen no esono. And I just said, even on that same Saturday, no, we make an interesting post. On the Snapchat, so I post no so a man for be a daily post no for interpretation. Post will make it on the Snapchat so in the. Also, just imagine say, if God na man, by now them done order execution order for una. Jehovah Boeze, Jehovah is king. Or say, imagine say, Senkanipa Yamia, in Kabarisa order execution. Ama ye will free as so. Now, this post now will make him raise a lot of eyebrows on social media. Say, as soon as Ben Ejekum and him say, amount for be a tatanana. It's in a all free Abroche, Amsterdam, Abba Ghana. No. One boy be a man, ya be pim or Ghana, Bufimwa, or be visit the family, no, and send all corner restaurants, one manner. Was that what he was run away from perhaps in Amsterdam? Because Senke Ghana had already away. I'm not for what he said. In case you don't post this message, I want a Snapchat. So It may be now or finish a Ghana there is safe every man. It's will post this message say Sankani pay nyamia in command or that execution. I want to show my you couldn't fear assassin. That's what the message meant. Now, fast forward to what we heard no. Offering the restaurant home no. One coffee street. No more coffee baby. And this will be your coffee, you know. It's been alleged say a girlfriend and a coffee fee. Now, a man for you shooting no, but per what we have heard no, and you shooting you shooting no. But rather no, whatever what happened to him no, omudi second and allegedly omudi whether he was stabbed, whether so muchano, whether so much again, and second and omudi. Now, these are some of the rumors are popping up after whatever I heard. Crazy Virgin eventually said confirmed that he was at his side chick's house, but as to what led to his death, it still remains unknown. I feel bad for his wife and family. This is coming from Crazy Virgin. I don't know quite about the side chick or girlfriend issue. We'll see another post. Those call celebs say, obey Mercedes, I have a gist for you about Kikibees. The thing happened in his girlfriend's household. Right now, it's not clear whether the lady stabbed him or he met another man in her room that stabbed him. This is a correct gist. And the girl lived in the next door. The police has come for the girlfriend. Of course. Now, per what I heard yesterday, no, not police have a girlfriend edical. But it's been alleged, say, even the girlfriend or passing out on the scene, which the details are not known. Now, as at yesterday, at the time I'm seeing the information, now much your family come from when you and your body you see. SARS will be a pen, your body too, and now say I want a second, and now pussy the second you coming, sir, and now say they no more for when you and your body no. But per what I heard no, and you two and your born, you should know. No, whatever happened to his body was done with a knife. I just said girlfriend a crown, and now a side check a police phone call found now or you're unconscious. Per what I heard. Now, my catch was a way and your police report. We and your police report. So I was way and your family in some maka. But we in Miakasa in some mati, I be there compared the amount for a cow social media so and the so. Now I believe that it was done with a knife also because say Kofi Nyako and the social media personality or one Netherlands and drop a comment me. But my ass and my comment me, say who comment or drop a comment say Mr. Ben Ejekum, a brother, a catcher or no Kofi Nyako, a say. And yet, when a bono, no may a second and you do kumbe. So that means a second partner has been confirmed. Mr. Kofi Nyako showed video where Obeja to say he made that particular comment. Even under one of his posts on Facebook, no, Mr. Ben brother ebe introducing him and the chair Mr. Kofi Nyako over the comment section. So I've seen people posting, say you should you should robbery, you should on the Range Rover bone. Ebi ankofona mukuno no emani looking like say a robbery, but per what I've heard, it wasn't a robbery. It was a targeted attack, and I'm targeting no. Now, Ibrawan, allegedly say a business gone wrong, and after allegedly no, what's in a BC castle, any other dates, the shooting part, I think perhaps Ibrawan got it wrong, but say Ibrawan I shared those details, say a targeted attacker, and then there was a police for inviting him. No about with investigations. However, no, it didn't happen in his Range Rover. It happened here. The girlfriend, if he, and not some no, is here. Whatever the reason, whatever happened before, many details name up. But what I can share with you is Mr. Ben called Kikibees on Saturday night. Of course, Saturday night, no. Now, what's the Honoma or Chile, and we'll make it this particular post on the Snapchat so. Live post on the Snapchat so say can you pay nyamia and can your other execution say you fear so I am made to believe say the threat perhaps wasn't in Ghana, the threat was from Amsterdam or wherever he came from, and maybe I'm not threats in the war, but he felt safe in Ghana. And we're moving here from Kikibees and I said one coffee street or the girlfriend now it's also being reported say as I see what East Legon, but what I have heard it didn't happen in East Legon, it happened here Ogboju. Mimi said that ni mo papa which are Obujoni Isilegono ebeng. It happened here Obujo per what I have heard. I've also seen some for speculative videos of excuse me saying the body no near there, which is wrong. But if you are so speculative video, it is wrong on all levels. Can I say any panel of family, any panel of busia for say be a 1 or 2 and how be But just as I've said, no, when your family report and when your police report, you be able to now Ghana Police Service for your facts and findings about. So what your facts and findings about, you the cross checking all the rumors I have presented to you. You who dare no clear, any dare no clear. But who beside me, when did matter? Any day been him so far. It wasn't in his Range Rover. He wasn't shot. In see when the fear, see when the girlfriend fear, which you be kind of saying psychic fear. And you see kind of money. Whatever happened, no, a police for far girl, no, not on your unconscious. As somebody there, go on the sister police for with investigations. As at the time, incident in our PM, na family ni enfo when you body no. So na paying a family job when you body na. Me sure at the right time, no. Perhaps I'll get in touch with any of the family members. Na my personal details and so.